Hello my dear friends, once again welcome back to my channel. In this video you will see recycling craft ideas for home. Please watch my full video till end. You will see very pretty and very unique ideas of recycling crafts. These are very pretty and very elegant recycling crafts. How to 9 easy recycling art projects you will see in this video. How to recycle things at home. Recycling at home involves sorting and preparing recyclable materials like paper, cardboard, plastic and metal for collection, while also exploring ways to reuse and repurpose items instead of discarding them. This can be achieved by understanding what your local municipality accepts and preparing items accordingly, and by making a conscious effort to reduce and reuse materials whenever possible. If you watch my full video till end, you will see very pretty recycling craft ideas. These are very easy recycling craft ideas. You can also use recycling. These are very pretty and very elegant recycling craft ideas. You will see almost 80 different ideas of recycling crafts. Here are some creative and easy recycling craft ideas you can try at home. Plastic bottle flower vase, newspaper basket, CD or DVD wall art, old clothes into cushion, a cardboard jewelry holder, tin can pen holder and much more. First of all, if you are my new viewer and you are watching my video first time, please do subscribe my channel and must press the bell icon to get the daily latest updates. Plastic bottle flower vase. Take an empty plastic bottle and cut it to the desired height. Use acrylic paints or spray paint to color it. You can decorate it with ribbons, lace or small artificial flowers. This makes a lovely and lightweight flower vase, perfect for fresh or fake flowers. Newspaper baskets. Roll strips of old newspaper into thin tubes, then weave them together to form a small basket. Once shaped, glue everything securely and paint the basket with your favorite color. It's perfect for holding small items like keys, stationery or even fruits. CD or DVD wall art. Take stretched or old CDs, DVDs, cut them into pieces if desired carefully, and arrange them on a board or wall in a pattern. Add beads, stickers or glitter for extra sparkle. When light hits them, they reflect beautiful colors, adding shine to your decor. Oh yeah, I did. Old clothes into cushion covers or gift bags. Use old t-shirts, dresses, or fabric scarves to sew small cushions or reusable fabric bags. Add zippers, buttons, or bows for decoration. This project is great for beginners in sewing and gives a second life of clothes you no longer wear. Tin can fan holder. Clean an empty tin can, remove any sharp edges and paint it. Decorate it with washi tape, fabric or stickers. Use it to hold pens, markers, paint brushes or even makeup brushes. It's a simple and useful craft for your study table or dressing area. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I will be back soon with my another video with my another ideas. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. If you have any request, please let me know in comment section. God bless you guys. I really hope that you really enjoying all the ideas that I shared with you. Bye bye. Take care of yourself and share my video as much as you can.